The sun kissed the porch where you first held my hand,
and I swore on that night I'd always be your man.
We built this life from whispers and faith,
Found out forever in the middle of fate. Even when the skies turn gray, I never dreamed of walking away.
We're right where we belong, baby, side by side, through the storms and the calm, with hearts open wide. You're my reason, my rhythm, my song. You've been my always, all along.
We're right where we belong.
You laugh at the worst jokes I tell.
You pull me back when I slip and fell.